Hello students, the next topic of subtraction is which we are going to do today is subtracting 4-digit numbers without borrowing. So as you can see here, we have a numbers. Subtract 6222 from 8576. First of all, we will arrange these numbers according to the place values. So as you can see, this is a larger number or a greater number and this is a smaller number. We can identify from here 8 is a greater number and 6 is a smaller number. So in subtraction, we always write greatest number on the top and the smallest number on under it. So first we will write here 6, 7, 5, 8 and then this number 2, 2, 2 and 6. Now we will subtract these numbers. These numbers are to be solved without borrowing. Okay. So 6 minus 2 equals to 4. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 5 minus 2 equals to 3 and 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So always remember, when you get a sum like this and in that equations or in that sums, always write the greatest number on the top and then write smallest number under it and then subtract the numbers. Okay, so this is example of a subtraction of a 4-digit number which is without borrowing. Clear? Next we have subtracting 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Example is subtract 5864 from 7652. So this is a greater number and this is a smaller number. So write greater number on top 7652 and smaller number under it 5, 8, 6 and 4. Now this is a with borrowing. So as you can see, 2 is a smaller number and 4 is a bigger number. Now we will borrow 1 from 5. So here it will come 12 and 5 minus 1, 4. So 12 minus 4 equals to 8. Okay. Now here it is 4, here it is 6. Now we will borrow 1 from here. 6 यहाँ पे आएगा 14 और यहाँ पे क्या रह गया हमारे पास 5. So 14 minus 6 equals to 8. Up we have here 5 and here it is 8. Now we will borrow 1 from here. Here it will become 15. So 15 minus 8 equals to 7. यहाँ पे क्या रह गया 6. So 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Okay. So always borrow the numbers when you need to solve. 12 minus 4 equals to 8. 14 minus 6 equals to 8. 15 minus 8 equals to 7 and 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Now let's move towards the next topic. So topic is estimating the difference to the nearest 100. Let me tell you one more fact of subtraction is you cannot subtract a greater number from a smaller number. Always subtract a smaller number from a greater number. Now let's see this topic, estimating the difference to the nearest 100. As you can see, we have 3 places, hundreds, tens and ones. We have one number 523 and another number is 189. First of all, we will round up these numbers to the nearest hundreds. So 523 is estimated to the nearest 100 as 500 and 189 is rounded off to the nearest 100 as 200. Now subtract these numbers. 0, 0, here comes 0 and 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Whenever you get a sum in which you have to estimate the difference to the nearest 100, first of all round up the numbers to the nearest 100 and then subtract the relative numbers. Okay. So this is the example of estimating the difference to the nearest 100. Next we have, I have written one example of one question in which first two numbers are adding and the third number is of subtraction. So how we will solve it? We have first number 3210 and the second number 1546. Whenever you get the sums like these, tries to solve the addition first and then subtract it. Okay, you can get a number in this way also when there are two numbers in which you have to subtract it and then you have to add it. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, हम पहले इन टू नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. Write like this 3 2 1 0 1 5 4 and 6. ऐड कर लो इन नंबर्स को. 0 + 6 6, 1 + 4 5, 2 + 5 7 and 3 + 1 4. तो सम क्या आ गया हमारे पास 4756. अब हमें क्या करना है, 4756 में से इस नंबर को विच इज़ 540 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो राइट इट लाइक दिस, थाउजेंड्स, हंड्रेड, tens and ones. First write this number 4 7 5 and 6. This is 3-digit number, so you will write it here. Now subtract these numbers. 6 - 0 6, 5 - 4 1, 7 - 5 2 और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 4. ओके, तो जब भी ऐसा सम हो पहले एडिशन करना है दो नंबर्स को, देन उसका जो सम आया उसमें से आपको जो थर्ड नंबर है यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट नंबर. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द लास्ट टॉपिक. ऐड 2000 टू द डिफरेंस ऑफ 4000 एंड 3000. अब इसमें क्या है, आपको दो नंबर्स का डिफरेंस गिवन है 4000 एंड 3000. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इन टू नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 4000 so we need to subtract these two numbers. Difference means to subtract, so here it will come 0 4 - 3 1. so हमने इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्व कर लिया. वी हैव एड 2000 to the difference of 4000 and 3000. first of all 4000 and 3000 का आपको निकालना है डिफरेंस. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू subtract these numbers. the answer is 1000. अब इस डिफरेंस के आंसर में आपको 2000 ऐड करना है. सो हाउ यू विल राइट, अब हमारे पास आ गया था 1000. अब इसमें हमें 2000 ऐड करना है. सो 2000 इज ऐड अप टू द नंबर 1000. सो 0 0 0 1 + 2 = 3. सो दीज आर द टू डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. यहाँ पे क्या था कि पहले दो नंबर्स को ऐड करके देन वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द थर्ड नंबर. इसमें वी हैव टू नंबर्स जिसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है एंड देन थर्ड नंबर में उसको ऐड करना है. सो दीज आर द वेरियस एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द वेरियस टॉपिक्स. लाइकवाइज you can solve the other sums. You will get the worksheets, 2 different worksheets based on this video. So you have to solve that worksheets in the different way. Okay, thank you.